Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a new environment in Anaconda without using any CMD, and then you can straight up using any app from Anaconda on that new environment. Alright guys, all you need to do is open Anaconda Navigator. You can search it in here, Anaconda Navigator, like there on the Windows search. And when you open it, you just go to the environments. All right. And when you go to the environments, you just click create, and then you name the new environment. For example, like Python 3.5. You can name it what you want. It's up to you. It doesn't matter what name you gave it. Right. And then you can choose the Python version you want to install. For example, I want to choose the Python 3.5, or if you want to choose the R language, and then you just click this checklist box, and then you press and then you press this an R, and then click create. For this example, I'm gonna use Python. Okay, we'll just wait. I'm not gonna skip any step in here because I want to guys to see. I want you guys to see all the steps that I do. All right. After this, you just go straight up into home, and then in the home, application on. Change into the environment that you made. In the Anaconda Navigator, it already selected the newest environment that you made. All right. After that, don't use the Jupyter Notebook from here. It will give you error. But instead, all you need to do is just click install on the Anaconda Navigator. Right, I'm gonna click install. Then we're just gonna wait. As you can see here, this is my Python version, the newest version on my base environment. All right. As you can see, it's before, and then we're gonna see the new one. Okay, I'm just gonna close this and this, right? You guys can see the full of it. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done installing Jupyter Notebook. And then you click launch. All right. Remember, guys, to click launch on the Anaconda Navigator. All right. So you don't have some issue when you're opening your Jupyter. All right. From here, you can check it on the new file. Click new. Then Python, something like that. It will create a new file. For me, I've already created a new file, so I just click here. As you can see, my previous Python version is Python 3.8.5, which is the newest Python version in this time. All right, I'm gonna click Save Enter to check it again. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. 3. I think that 3.5 doesn't have this Python version. It's kind of different from 3.5 with 3.6. All right, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna change it to the Python 3.6. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna run it. As you can see, my Python version is changing to 3.6, and then you can use it, like, and then you can, and that's pretty much all you can do. All right. Sorry if I'm not really good at talking, because I just made this into my documentation, and I don't want to have time to edit this video, right? And then Like you know what I mean, alright? Okay. This all you need to do, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.